Hey YouTube, Male Cat Lady here. Today I am installing some uh, elongated studs on my GS, and I guess I kind of wanted to show a little trick on how I'm doing this on the rear. I couldn't install them this way on the top, or on the top here, the sides, because you got stuff in the way on both sides, but I found an awesome way. I don't know if I'm going to do this. I got the magnet. Oops. I don't really need the magnet unless, you know, you're going to drop it. So, you can kind of see, I got this kind of started. Got the magnet boy holding it in place here. But right here, on the rear brakes, is a perfect spot to install this wheel stud. Just kind of wiggle it in, and there's plenty of room. I came in through the top, holding it in with the magnet, and then you kind of just drop it right into that little hole. Boom. Comes in perfectly. Your Lisle tool, that goes on there. Make sure you buy an open-ended lug nut from O'Reilly or your Napa or something like that. Buy a good one. Don't cut the top off a different one you have. Just go buy one. They're super cheap. And buy this tool. That makes life so easy, dude. You're gonna love how easy this makes life. All right. Where are we? So yeah, she's ready to go. Now, you take your impact. She's tight. Done. Boom. One installed wheel stud perfectly on a GS430 2006. Lengthened wheel stud in the rear. It's so easy on the fronts. Super easy on the fronts. Little tougher on the rears, but I found out an easy trick. There you go.